Hi everyone, so if you guys remember, I recently received a package from BeeBeeCrafts and I did an unboxing video, and then I did this little bead chunky charm right here, and they sent these beautiful bee beads. So today we are going to work on another project. They had sent me these beautiful little reindeer pieces right here. I just think they're so shiny and beautiful. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. So I want to make some earrings. So that's what we are going to do today. So I have my two different flat pliers right here. And I actually need to go get the round nose pliers because I'm going to need to make the loop on this side right here. So let me go grab those. Okay, so I have my round nose pliers here. I have the two little reindeers that they sent. I have my little eye pin. I'm going to use these two rhinestone little beads. Now, I got these from BeeBeeCrafts before. It's from a different haul, so we'll be using those as well. Then I have these earrings that came from a kit from them as well. And then I just have some jump rings here. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to put these together, I'm going to go ahead and take my eye pin, feed it through my rhinestone bead, and then we are just going to, I'm just gonna roll down the top right here to make our little loop like that. And then we're going to do the same thing with the next one. Just feed it through and just roll it on down. So there we go. Now we have our little beads all set. Then we're going to go ahead and take our flat nose pliers here. And we're going to open up the jump ring. Now you're going to twist them apart. You don't want to pull apart. You want to twist them. So we are going to go ahead and do that. And we are going to feed the bead through right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to also attach the earring hook right there. And you're just going to twist them close. So now it looks like this. And then we're going to go ahead and take another jump ring right here. We are going to go ahead and open this one on up. Again, just twisting them apart. And we are going to feed our bead with our earring through that loop. And then we are going to go ahead and feed our gorgeous reindeer charm from BeeBeeCrafts. And here we go. Here is our dangly little earring. Isn't that cute? God, I love those charms. They are so stinking cute. So let's go ahead and put the next one together as well. So we have our bead right here. We're going to go ahead and take our next little jump ring, open this on up. We are going to go ahead and put our rhinestone bead, add our earring hook, close that off, get our next jump ring right here, open this one on up, and attach our bead with our earring base, and go ahead and attach our little reindeer charm and twist that on close. And there we go. Look at how cute and easy these were to make. Got it all done in under 5 minutes. Super fast crafting and super, super cute. Oh my goodness. These are just too stinking cute. Look at that. Gorgeous. And like I said, all of this actually came from BeeBeeCrafts. It's just different kits that I went ahead and put together to make these gorgeous earrings. And look at the shine from the beads to the little diamond little piece right here and these little reindeer. Just gorgeous. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.